Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to test this Google Pixel out. I want to see how strong this phone is. Can it endure the bend test? To be honest, I don't think so. This phone's already shattered. I will not do it with a phone that's brand new because, I don't know, there are people who like to destroy their phones in front of cameras, and I do enjoy those videos, but it's a waste if you would ask me. So this phone doesn't work anymore and it was laying around, so I thought, why not just look if it passed the bend test. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So let's go ahead and try to do it this way. I don't put any force on it, but let's see if I put a bit of a force. It kind of bends, but it's very hard. I guess if I try this way, I can just destroy it. But if I... Okay, so this way, it's nearly impossible to do it. It bends, but it stays strong. Even though this phone feels very fragile, so I don't know. Maybe if I try it this way. Okay, so as you see there, the screen pops off, but it's not destroyed yet. So let's go ahead and put a bit more force on it. Okay, so this is way harder than I thought it'd be. I just can't destroy it. Okay, so let's put a bit more force on it because that screen that pops off, but it seems like I just can't see how that screen just seems like the screen is popping off. But okay, so this is way harder than the iPhone 6s when Unbox Therapy did it. I can guarantee you this phone's way stronger than that. I guess Google did just a great job by just thinking about people that put their phone in their back pocket. But if you just look closely to it, you see that that screen is popping off. So let me... Okay, so this is... I can't just do it. Maybe if I try to do it this way, will it... Okay, so I kind of, with a lot of force, it kind of bent, as you see here. But still, it's not shattered. Okay, so I can guarantee you, if you just put this phone in your back pocket, you will not destroy it. Even though it kind of, there is a bend over there. Do you see that? It's very subtle, not sure if it's visible on cam, but I got it bent and it seems like I can't do it anymore. Let's try it one more time. Okay, so this phone is unbreakable. Well, the screen is shattered, but the screen was already shattered at the start of this video, but I just can't bend this phone, it seems. It's... Okay, so this is the farthest thing I can go. I don't think I can go even further. It's very hard to get it bent. Like, as you saw, I just need something else to have it bend that way. It's nearly impossible to do it with your hands. That I can guarantee you. Let me just try it one more time. I know, I just said like 5 times to try it one more time, but let's... Okay, yeah, that's the furthest thing I can go. I think I have it a bit bent. Let's just grab another Google Pixel and see the comparison. As you can see, this phone is a bit bent. This phone is straight. It's very subtle, but it's over there. Yeah. So yeah, you don't have to worry if you put this phone in your back pocket, you will not destroy it. Maybe if you put a lot of force on it, you can destroy it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Even I couldn't just destroy it like I just couldn't bend it. It's a slight bend over there. It's not that much. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a big thumbs up. That helps me a lot. Thank you so much for your support. You guys are awesome. I just surpassed the 3K mark, and I thought to make this video just to celebrate that. Thank you so much. I know it's not that lot. I mean, like 3K, it's some people get just 3K likes on their video. Help me out. Give this video like 1,000 likes. That will be the world to me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.